If you keep living paycheck to paycheck, if your money disappears faster than your salary comes in, if you constantly feel like financial freedom is just a dream, then wake up, because the difference between being broke and being financially independent is just 5 simple habits. And if you ignore them, well, let's just say you'll be working till you're 70, still struggling to pay bills, and still wondering why others are living their dream life while you're stuck in survival mode. So pay close attention, because by the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to escape the rat race and build unstoppable wealth. Habit number 1, pay yourself first. Imagine this: you get your salary, and immediately you spend it on new shoes, eating out, and partying. By the end of the month, you're broke again. Sound familiar? The rich do the exact opposite. Before they spend a single dollar, they pay themselves first. They take at least 20 to 30% of their income and move it straight into investments, savings, or assets that make them money while they sleep. It's simple. The more you pay yourself, the more wealth you build. The more you waste, the longer you stay broke. So from now on, every time you get paid, make it a rule: pay yourself first. Habit number 2, never depend on one income stream. Imagine getting fired from your job. Your only source of income disappears overnight. One income stream is a financial death trap. If your boss can destroy your entire financial life in one meeting, then you are not financially independent. Rich people have at least 3 income streams. While you sleep, your money should still be working for you. So ask yourself, if your job disappeared today, would you still make money? If the answer is no, then it's time to start building multiple income sources. Habit number 3, master the art of saying no. Buying drinks every weekend, expensive gadgets just because they're trending? Congratulations, you're paying the broke tax. Wealthy people have one secret weapon. They say no. No to unnecessary spending. No to keeping up with fake rich people. Yes to long-term wealth. If you can't control your spending, you'll never control your financial future. So next time someone pressures you to waste money, ask yourself, is this making me richer or poorer? Habit number 4, use debt wisely or avoid it. Debt is like fire. Use it right and it can cook you a meal. Use it wrong and it will burn your entire financial life down. Bad debt is buying things you can't afford just to impress people. Good debt is using borrowed money to invest in assets that make you money. If you want financial freedom, avoid bad debt like it's poison. Rich people use debt to build wealth. Broke people use debt to stay broke. Which one are you? Habit number 5, think long-term, not short-term. The biggest difference between the rich and the poor: rich people think years ahead. Broke people think about the next weekend. Do you want a luxury car today, or do you want financial freedom for life? Do you want instant gratification, or do you want to build real wealth? If you keep making short-term decisions, you'll stay broke forever. But if you play the long game, financial independence is guaranteed. There you have it. 5 simple habits that separate the broke from the financially free. The question is, which one are you following? Because at the end of the day, your financial future is your responsibility. So take action now. Start applying these habits today. Comment below, which of these habits do you already follow, and which one do you need to start right now? And if you want more powerful strategies to escape the rat race and build real wealth, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your future self will thank you.